Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. So in this video I will let you know how to how to use Instagram dark mode. If you have Android 8 or 9, because Instagram dark mode is available officially on Instagram Android 10 or iOS 13 or above 10 and iOS 13. But if you have Android 8, suppose on this mobile phone I have Android 8. So how to use Instagram in a dark mode? Let me show you. You can see right now my Instagram, and let's see how we use. What you need to do, you need to go to uh, Play Store. Just click on Play Store and you need to install this app. This one I have installed already, dark mode. So let's open and open this app. You can see day mode, night mode, auto. We right now it's day mode. So let's select on night. You can see, and now just go back. You can see your all mobile phone will be in a night mode. Here you can see. So let's go to our Instagram, and here you can use this Instagram in a dark mode. You can see. So install this app. It's available on Play Store. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Yes, you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you.